Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel, Island Daily. My name is Dr. Eamon, and I'm an optometrist. And today we're going to learn everything about the Hirschberg test. So, a Hirschberg test is used to measure the degree of deviation, and is performed at a near target. For that purpose, you have to hold a pen torch and you have to point the light at the center of the nose bridge, right? And you will instruct the patient to focus on the light of the pen torch, right? And now comes the turn of interpretation. So let's make a diagram. So if the reflex is placed nasally, this means that the eye is moving outward, the eye is moving in an exodirection. If the reflex is placed temporally, this means that the eye is moving nasally, the eye is moving in an esodirection. If the reflex is placed superiorly, this means that the eye is going in an hypodirection. If the reflex is placed downwards, this means that the eye is going in an upward hyperdeviation, right? Now, how are you going to measure this deviation? We know that the horizontal visible iris diameter is 12 millimeters and roughly the diameter of pupil is 4 millimeters, right? Now, 1 millimeter is equal to 7 degrees and 1 degree is equal to 2 prism diopters. Now, I want you to focus on this. So, if the reflex is placed centrally, this means that the eye is orthophoric, there is no deviation present. Now we are going to divide this horizontal visible iris diameter in different compartments. So this is 0 and this is 1 millimeter. This is 2 millimeter. As you can see, 2 millimeter over right here and 2 millimeter over right here. This makes a total of 4 millimeters, right? So, and up to this, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And same goes over here, and this will make 12 millimeters, right? Now, so at 1 millimeter, we will have 7 degree of deviation, right? And at 2 millimeters, if the reflex is placed at the edge of the pupil, then we will have 14 degree of deviation. If it is placed at a little outside from the pupil edge, this will be at 3 this will be 21 degrees, at 4 this will be 28 degrees, 5 this will be 35 degrees, and at 6 it will be 42 degrees. And if the reflex is on sclera, you can imagine can be greater than 50 degrees, right? So each degree, as I've told you before, that each degree is equal to 2 prism diopters. So if it is 7 degrees, it will be equal to 14 prism diopters. And if it is 14 degrees, it will be equal to 28 prism diopters. If it is equal to 50 degrees, it will be equal to 100 prism diopters, right? So this is how you calculate, how you measure deviation with the help of Hirschberg test, right? So Hirschberg is actually a screening test, and you cannot completely rely on it. For this, you can only use prism bars to correctly measure the degree of deviation. And also, you can only measure the degree of deviation at a very near target. So you cannot measure the degree of deviation when the person is focusing at a distance target, and you cannot measure how much degree of deviation is at a distance fixation. So this was all for today. I hope I have made everything clear. Thank you for watching my video. Give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.